folks, it is time for science. This is your daily screencast for Monday, May 4th. Alright, so today we are starting a new unit, so you might have noticed by now that we're kind of on a 2-week schedule of new systems, and we'll kind of run out in this, last week. It'll be a nice end for you seniors who will kind of get a chance to finish up the lymphatic and immune system. And then we'll have like a really short, small assignment for my juniors who are still left on that last week. So, we are starting the lymphatic/immune system. They use kind of the same structures, but they kind of serve some different functions, but we'll get to learn about both of them through this unit. So it's the same sort of deal as we've been having with the unit structure, in that you'll take some notes, you'll watch a crash course, complete the questions, and turn that in, and then there's a small assignment for you to kind of begin working on. Let's go into Schoology and take a little bit of a closer look at what that's going to look like here in the folder for the week. So, other thing is attendance question 5-4. Everyone's been doing pretty good with getting those submitted on time, and I really enjoy reading those, especially the favorites one. That was probably one of, ironically, one of my favorite questions that I asked, because it was really awesome to see what you chose to share as your favorite, and just getting to share that little thing that you love. I could tell that a lot of you have a lot of passion for the things that are your favorites. So, for introduce the lymphatic and immune system, you are going to have the PowerPoint and then a different kind of notes, doodle notes. They're kind of different, a little bit more freeform, but it still gets using the information from the PowerPoint that you'll be able to fill these in. The other big thing is you have crash courses. These are not too different. We have a comic assignment. So this is a more kind of open-ended assignment than we've had previously with, say, the sort of Pogles and stuff, where it's kind of a set question and answer sort of thing. So the immune system comic strip is you're creating a story to demonstrate how immune cells respond to the body. So for today, I really just want you to kind of take a look at this assignment, look at the rubric, and kind of take just a look at some of these student examples of, what did people do when they did this assignment. And you don't have to stick to this, panel page. If you want to create your own sort of set of panels, that's great, but I thought that this might be a good template to get some of you started. So just take a look at it, digest it a little bit. You're just getting started with the immune system, so I don't expect you to get started and finish this today. I totally expect you to start brainstorming on Thursday and then really make some headway next week to get this done. So that's really it for today. Make sure to get that attendance question done. Crash course, as usual, is your assignment. And then you have some notes, and then start thinking about that assignment, which will be due late next week. I hope you all are well, and we'll see you next time, folks. Bye!